In this video, I'm going to share with you the best AI video generators in 2023. These are tools that will help you create, edit, and enhance videos with AI in minutes. AI video generators are apps that use artificial intelligence to power their features. They can help you save time, improve your content quality, and increase your engagement. There are different types of AI video generators, such as video editors with AI editing tools meant for speeding up the editing process, generative text-to-video apps that take your prompts and generate a video output on the spot, video productivity apps that use AI to help you create content faster for multiple marketing channels or platforms. I've tested some of the best AI video generators available right now, and here are my top picks. Kapwing. Kapwing is an online video editor that recently launched a suite of AI video and image creation tools. You can use Kapwing AI to generate videos from text prompts, documents, or scripts. You can also customize the videos with stock footage, text overlays, and background music. Kapwing AI is great for creating quick clips for social media or summarizing articles or documents. Runway. Runway is a visual-to-video tool that lets you generate videos up to 5 seconds long with images, preset styles, and some prompting. You can use Runway to apply effects to your existing videos or create new ones from scratch. Runway is great for experimenting with generative AI and creating artistic or abstract videos. Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI video generation platform that lets you create videos with AI avatars. You can choose from a library of realistic or cartoonish characters and make them say whatever you want with text or voice input. You can also add backgrounds, logos, and subtitles to your videos. Synthesia is great for creating explainer videos, testimonials, or greetings with digital actors. Peach. Peach is a content marketing tool that uses AI to help you create videos from blog posts or podcasts. You can simply paste a URL or upload an audio file, and Peach will generate a video summary with key points, images, and animations. You can also edit the video with your own branding and call to action. Peach is great for repurposing content and reaching new audiences with video. These are some of the best AI video generators in 2023 that I recommend you try out. They will help you create amazing videos with AI in no time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to use AI to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.